So let's take a moment and go over the effect of changing the sample size and changing the confidence level. So if you increase the sample size, then that causes the error bound to decrease, and that's going to make the confidence interval narrower. So if you increase the sample size, the confidence interval will become narrower. And then decreasing the sample size will widen the confidence interval. Now, if we change the confidence level, so that was the percentage that we looked at, like a 90% or a 98% confidence level in the previous examples. If you increase the confidence level, that increases the error bound and the confidence interval is wider. So if you decrease that confidence level, then that is going to make the confidence interval narrower. So here I just want you to take a look at this slide. This is also in your textbook, but this is calculating the sample size n. So if researchers desire a specific margin of error, then they can use the error bound formula to calculate the required sample size. So we could do this by hand if we need to. Now I want to take a look at the next example. So from the previous slide, we're going to use this equation to calculate the answer to the problem in number 4. So it says the population standard deviation for the age of football college students is 15 years. If we want to be 95% confident that the sample mean age is within 2 years of the true population mean age of football college students, how many randomly selected football college students must be surveyed? So we're trying to find the number of people we need to survey. So first, let's write down what we know. So we know that the standard deviation is 15. We know that the EBM is 2. And Z, so if you go in your textbooks and you look at 8.4, it explains Z. It's 1.96 because we're looking at a confidence level at 95%. So with this, then we can plug in squared times 15 squared divided by 2 squared, and you get 216.09. When we are looking at sample sizes for people, we cannot sample this number of people. We can't sample part of a person, so we're going to round up to 217. So we're going to say that we need 217 football college students to be surveyed in order to be 95% confidence that we are within 2 years of the true population mean age of football college students.